Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to master Edgar in Brawl Stars. Let us first find out who is Edgar. Edgar is an assassin who relies on his super to engage enemies. He excels at quick, close range combat and has a passive supercharge, meaning he supercharge over time even without attacking. So, what's the best build, gadget, star powers, gears for Edgar? Fisticuffs is often considered his best star power. It increases the healing he receives from his attacks, making him much more sustainable in fights. Second, Let's Fly is widely regarded as the superior gadget. It instantly charges his super by 80%, allowing for more frequent and opportunistic engagements. Supercharged Epic Gear. This is a strong choice as it synergizes with his passive supercharge and his Let's Fly gadget skill. This is another good option, especially in modes like Heist, as it increases his damage when he is low on health. This one can be useful in certain matchups or if you prefer a more passive playstyle. So here's some strategic gameplay tips. First, be patient and opportunistic. Second, use walls and bushes. Third, time your super. And fourth, focus on squishy brawlers.